Hello kids! Welcome back to Xoratale. Today, we're going to learn a new letter, the letter M. Are you ready? Let's go! M for monkey, mama monkey. M for moon, mama moon. M for milk, mama milk. M for mango, mama mango. Let's repeat it again. M for monkey, M for moon, M for milk, M for mango. M for mouse, mama mouse. M for mug, mama mug. M for map, mama map. M for man, mama man. Let's repeat it again. M for mouse, M for mug, M for map, M for man. M for mirror, mama mirror. M for magnet, mama magnet. M for mask, mama mask. M for mittens, mama mittens. Let's repeat it again. M for mirror, M for magnet, M for mask, M for mittens. M for mountain, mama mountain. M for mushroom, mama mushroom. M for motorcycle, mama motorcycle. M for mailbox, mama mailbox. Let's repeat it again. M for mountain, M for mushroom, M for motorcycle, M for mailbox. M for mother, mama mother. M for music, mama music. M for metal, mama metal. M for money, mama money. Let's repeat it again. M for mother, M for music, M for metal, M for money. You've learned the letter M today. Now let's play a fun game. What is this? Yes, M for monkey. What is this bright thing in the sky? That's right, M for moon. What do we drink? Yes, M for milk. What fruit is sweet and yellow? Yummy, M for mango. What is this animal? Yes, M for mouse. Awesome, you got them all right. Let's clap for ourselves. Bye-bye, little learners. See you soon with the next fun letter N.